Oppo A16. Paano tanggalin ang password? Just follow me. First, turn off the device. Then hold power button and volume down together. Then release. Medyo blurred, no? Just click English. Then click wipe data. Then click again, format data. Okay guys, just enter the verification code given. Here, the verification code given. You just enter. Sorry for the video, it's blurred. This is the verification code, what I am pointing. Okay, just enter. Then click format. Then click OK. Okay guys, after formatting or unlocking the password, we just wait a couple of minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Don't be bored, just wait. Later I will jump the video to make it short, okay? Okay, video jump, let's sit up, just follow me. Okay guys, if this notification will appear in your phone, just follow it. Because this phone is protected by the FRP. So you need to connect to the Wi-Fi and then enter your Google account to sign in this phone. Okay, it's clear? Okay, that's all. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe.